Enable X3D Turbo Mode 2.0 for more performance. Here's how to turn it on GIGABYTE X3D motherboards. Before you begin, make sure you're using a supported GIGABYTE X3D motherboard with a compatible AMD X3D processor. There are two ways to enable X3D Turbo Mode 2.0. The first is through the BIOS. The second is directly in Windows. Let's start with enabling it in the BIOS. First, restart your system and press Delete key to enter the BIOS. Next, locate X3D Turbo Mode in the upper right corner. Select your preferred mode. Press F10. Then select Yes to save and exit. Your computer will restart. And that's it. X3D Turbo Mode is now enabled. You can also enable X3D Turbo Mode in Windows. First, go to your motherboard's official product page. In this example, we'll use the X870 AORUS X3D wood. Click Support in the upper right corner. Find the Utility tab. Download GIGABYTE OnFly X3D. Open the installer and install OnFly X3D. After installation, find the OnFly X3D icon in the Windows System tray on the bottom right. Right-click the icon. Select the mode you prefer. Then click Restart Now. Please note, switching modes will require a restart every time. Once your PC restarts, X3D Turbo Mode will be activated.